Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Walker, local and long distance movers near me. A long distance shift was never easier than this, but first you have to call a trained mover and let them take care of your shift. Professional movers like 3 Movers have an extensive team of trained and qualified movers that can navigate your shift efficiently and move your belongings inside your apartment quickly within the given time period. Moreover, movers require certain permits and licenses to complete the long-distance shift. However, our moving firm, 3 Movers, is already certified and has a good working relationship with the local federal association. Movers provide us with the required permits and direct us to complete the long-distance shift without the need to run multiple checks. Usually, people believe when moving locally, they don't need to require you to have a professional mover. But even if you're moving to a nearby society, the shifting process is still the same. You still have to pack, load, shift, and resettle your belongings again, which not only consumes your time, but may cause damage to your products. Therefore, it's always recommended to hire a team of professional movers, and we have a trained team who can provide you same-day shifting for local moves. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Walker moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.